Lonnie, you want to tell us what are we opening today? Another treasure.
This is from Raiders of the Lost Ark. It should be the Ark of the Covenant.
Oh my gosh, every day. I'm like, what did we get today?
Oh, it's not.
It's a little bit scary.
This is just a power system. Yay.
Hey, I want to open fun stuff.
I know. Oh, you know what?
What?
That's too funny. This is a totally different from what, yeah.
Is this another lot?
This is not, yeah, this is not really what I was thinking.
Is it still something fun?
Probably more fun to most people.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay.
Nothing too
Looks
exciting
like a musical
yet.
instrument.
Well,
Is it have something to do with music?
no, it has something to do with video games.
Okay, well that's fun too. Oh, yay.
Yeah.
Okay, so was this in a store, I guess?
Yeah, this was hanging in a store.
Okay,
So,
fun.
and I think it has pretty cool, it's got the little LED light ups. So,
Let's see the little holes. So we're going to turn off the lights and turn it on.
yeah.
Fun.
Here's the problem.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
And thus the power supply
Okay.
to,
Not
in
our
this case,
normal-
it's a step, it actually is a step up transformer. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Yay.
These are all video games.
Oh, let me see. I want to see.
I'm telling you what, man,
Wherever
they
this
really,
came from, man, they did a good job packaging.
well, I'll give, I mean,
You don't have to say.
I will give them credit that they are the best. Yes. Okay.
What is this?
This is a Nintendo development computer. So they would develop some of the games
Oh, that's
on
pretty cool.
this computer.
So like the programmers who are making the games, this is how they would make them?
Yes, they could use them on this, using this box, which is just a type of computer that's basically like the, you know, the game box. You know, we have development boxes for a lot of the different companies and game versions. There's also developer cartridges that are writable. So they get everything like they like it on the cartridge, and you know, then they would mass produce it. Well, this is the, you know, the new thing now is to grade
Games.
the games and the game machines even.
Oh, the
So this
machines.
is obviously a 3DS XL.
Is there just one in there?
Well, this is a game itself.
Right, but there's only one. It looks big for
Yeah.
just one.
No, that's it.
Okay.
And typically they're, you know, in their pristine packaging. Most of the time they haven't even been opened.
What grade did it get? Can you pull it out of
This
the plastic?
this is a
Out of
90.
that plastic? And what's the scale?
Well, in this it goes up to 100. See, this is near mint plus to mint. This is different because this is a competition cartridge, so it obviously has been used.
Oh, that's funny. How do they know that? Just whoever they got it from?
Well, because they're only made for this competition,
Oh, really?
and yeah,
8.5.
yeah, which competition usually the cartridges don't get very good grades.
Okay.
Like We have some for, you know, the very first World Championship, and it's graded like 5 something, but it's so rare that it's still worth a lot. These are not well-known games, but you can see that this one, you know, is still in the original shrink wrap, and it got a 9.8. Nothing gets much more than that. This is a Sega Genesis game.
Next.
Okay, this one is about as high a grade as you'll ever see. So, again, Sega Genesis.
Okay, ooh, a 9.9.
Yeah.
Forgotten Worlds.
Yep, Forgotten Worlds. All combat games.